man may have some loose teeth.
You know how in movies they use all that subtle product placement in their scenes? Well, this is TV. We just cut away to the commercials. We'll be right back.
Coming up, a dog who just realized she loves me not. A mom who's been tossing and turning all night. Plus, how to make a mean milkshake. When we return with more of the planet's funniest animals, right here on Animal Planet.
Welcome back. Now it's time for Animals in the News.
Confusion today at an Illinois zoo when officials hung up an international symbol sign for a new penguin restroom. Here we see a troubled resident who's not quite sure if this sign is for the men's or women's.